Hello, my sewing friends. This is Vlogmas Day 12. I'm Jen. This is not my sewing room. I am very busy right now. Very busy with a very cozy little boy. And you know how it is. Once you get a cozy boy in your lap, you can't really move and do anything else. So once he is really solidly out, then we'll open Advent calendars. Advent calendars. I've got them right here. Okay, so this is 12th. So we're up to day 5 on the socks and surprises thing. And day 5 is, oh, it's a hair scrunchie. Oh, that's cute. Very cute. It's kind of a satiny kind of feel. Hair scrunchies. Can you have too many of those? I don't think you can. And for this one, we have day 12 right here. Got a little bear, little chocolate bear. So cute. Ooh, that'll be good. The only other thing I want to tell you about that I did today was that I had lunch with Andra from Andra Makes. Oh, I love her so much. Every time I get to spend time with her, it's such a pleasure. So I try and do that when I'm up this way. And, you know, we're about 5 hours apart, but we drive 2.5 hours and meet in the middle. And we had the most incredible pasta and Italian today. It was really good. And she took me to a local coffee shop and said, "You got to quit drinking that Starbucks stuff. Go to support your local businesses." And I thought, okay, that's good advice. Good advice. Well, I'll give you that. Okay. So we did. We had coffee at a local place. And you know what? It was just as good as the Starbucks that I get, which I don't get coffee as such. I get lattes. I mean, I get the foofy stuff. So, yeah. Anyway, that was the highlight for today, other than rocking my grandson to sleep because, oh, what a pumpkin. Okay, so let me leave you with this. I'll leave you with this. The beginning of the story of how it all happened and brought about Christmas. From Luke chapter 2, about that time, Caesar Augustus ordered a census to be taken throughout the empire. This would have been the Roman Empire. This was the very first census when Quirinius was governor of Syria. Everyone had to travel to his own ancestral hometown to be accounted for. Isn't it nice that they all come to us now and we don't have to go to them? So Joseph went from the Galilean town of Nazareth up to Bethlehem in Judah, David's town, for the census. As a descendant of David, he had to go there. So he went with Mary, his fiancée, who was pregnant. I'll leave it at that because the story just gets better and better and better. So I'll see you tomorrow. Merry Christmas.